Hello friends, this is Rashmi Soni. Welcome to Shiny Colors Fine Art Classes. I'm very excited to share about my new portrait workshop on YouTube, and that is for absolutely free. And I'm giving you the opportunity to tell me about your challenges and questions that you're facing while constructing a face. I will cover most frequently asked questions plus new concept that will help you to make a perfect face. So please tell me your questions in the comment section. I will upload a new video every alternate day at 11 a.m. on YouTube from 12th of May. So stay tuned, prepare your questions. See you from 12th of May. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel to get notified for my upcoming videos.